Welcome back. The time now is 6:39. 5 women have accused Fox News anchor Bill O'Reilly of sexual harassment and/or verbal abuse. It's a scandal that's shining new light on sexual harassment at the office and why statistics show more than half of the claims made in the U.S. in 2015 resulted in no charge. I spoke to a Starkville attorney about what type of behavior is considered sexual harassment and what to do if you become a victim. Starkville attorney Lydia Quarles says there are several reasons why victims of sexual harassment at the office choose to stay silent.
We all think that we would be heroes and we all think we would be whistleblowers, but then we think about our car note and our house note and our children that need to be fed and whatever. And that makes us a little less brave.
The reasons are just as startling as the numbers. A 2015 study done by the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission says 75% of people who experience sexual harassment at the office don't even report it. There are 2 types of sexual harassment that can happen at a place of business, covered under Mississippi's Title VII law. The first being quid pro quo.
I will give you a raise if you will do what I want you to do. You want a raise? Here's how you get it.
And the second, a hostile work environment.
People tell dirty jokes around you. It makes you feel uncomfortable. People put pictures of naked women or naked men on your desk. People just do things that cause you personally to feel uncomfortable.
Quarles says as soon as it happens, start building your case.
Get yourself a calendar and you need to make notes, and they need to be specific. You know, April the 10th at 10:45. And who was there besides me? Who might have heard it?
After you've written everything down, go to your supervisor and report it. The victim must give the employer the chance to resolve the issue. Then, if there's still no change, Quarles says that's when you call the EEOC. By law, Mississippi businesses are not required to have sexual harassment policies set up, but they are required to have EEOC federal laws posted where their employees can see them. Even news stations. In fact, we have ours posted right where our employees clock in and out every day.
They will go forward to investigate, and they will either give you a right to sue letter, or they may say, wow, this is really bad. We're going to sue for you.
After the EEOC confirms your case, then get a lawyer involved. And again, that was Lydia Quarles weighing in on that story. While over half of all women in the workplace report experiencing some form of sexual harassment on the job, the issue of sexual harassment of men is starting to get more media attention. According to a recent survey, about 1/3 of all working men reported at least one form of sexual harassment in the previous year. Of the 7,809 sexual harassment charges filed in 2011 with the EEOC, 16.1% were in fact filed by men. By 2013, that number rose to 17.6%. Well, just like there are laws set in place to protect victims of sexual harassment at the workplace, there are also laws set up to protect students. According to Mississippi's Title IX Education Amendment, the law prohibits sex discrimination and unlawful behavior in any education program or activity. This is a law that all universities in the state have to comply with. Attorney Lydia Quarles says there is a misconception that Title IX only applies to athletes. The policy covers students, faculty, and staff and protects victims who are unable to function as a result of sexual harassment. Now, all of the universities and colleges in our area have a hotline number for students and faculty to call and report a claim.